Lucky.
Welcome back. Continuing the news. There's disquiet in the tourism sector, particularly among people who operate attractions. This following an advisory indicating that tourists should not venture out but remain at the hotel where they're staying. This prompted a press briefing today by Chukka Caribbean Adventures. TVJ News obtained a copy of the advisory from the Jamaica Hotel and Tourism Association. It pointed to an amended disaster risk management order, which classified all visitors staying in the resilient corridor as high risk, and as such, they're required to stay on the hotel property for the duration of their stay. It is believed that this has been done in light of the increase in the number of imported COVID-19 cases. CEO of Chukka Caribbean Adventures, Mark Melville, while stressing the importance of containing the spread of the virus, raised objection to the directive.
We have people who are coming to Jamaica, only because they heard that attractions had been reopened. I have DMCs from Amstar. Mr. Richard Burke called and said to me this morning at a group of 150 people that only picked Jamaica because of this. He's now going to possibly have to call and cancel that group and refund those people all that money. We can't go back.
He also gave a recent example.
Even up to this morning, we sent our buses to a particular hotel, and the bus was allowed into the hotel, but the guests were said they're not allowed to leave. We said, okay, no problem, we understand. And the bus turned around and left. And there are hotels that as of this morning or yesterday have officially closed their gates and told the guests that they cannot leave.
Attractions like Chukka Caribbean took a major hit when the tourism sector closed in March. Mr. Melville says the staff has been particularly affected.
It is no secret that in my business, I have team members who tell me that it's the tips sometimes that make a massive difference. And it's not because their salaries are not good and not because they're below industry level. But when you give good service, your visitors reward you.
Here's his solution.
Let's let the corridor do its course. Let the people leave the hotel on a certified COVID transportation to a certified attraction, bar, or place of interest. And anybody who wants to be COVID certified, all they have to do within the corridor is call TPDCO, get the policies, arrange for an inspection, and you will be inspected.
Mr. Melville says that while locals have been visiting the attraction, the company's business model is not built on locals alone.